In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can share games here on Steam. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first, go ahead and open up Steam and actually select Steam up in the top left. It's going to kind of look like just the logo and the name. Select that and it's going to pull up this little drop down here. Scroll down towards the bottom and select settings. And on this left hand sidebar that's going to appear in the Steam settings, go ahead and choose family. From here, you'll see the option to create or join a Steam family. Go ahead and select create. And after you do that, go ahead and select manage your Steam family. And it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Now, all you need to go and do is actually invite someone. Just keep in mind they already have to be on your friends list. If you don't have them added as a friend, go ahead and make sure you do that. But once you have them added as a friend, go ahead and select invite member and they'll actually appear in this option that says search your friends list. You just have to select them and then select invite as an adult or invite as a child. I recommend just selecting invite as an adult and they'll actually get a notification on their account where they'll be prompted to accept that invite. After they do accept that invite, you'll actually be able to share all of your games, and your games are going to essentially appear in their library and their games are going to appear in your library. It'll actually say from Steam Family Library when they actually load up into the game. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.